How's it going, everybody? It's Kamdorian. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I appreciate you. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of these Fenrir bar and mirrors and also these new levers I got from Amazon. The front brake lever and also the clutch lever. So I got these both from Amazon. Pretty inexpensive. The bar and mirrors were, I think, $65 and the levers were $35. They're very nice quality. Brackets are sturdy, mirrors are sturdy and pretty heavy. I took off the stock bar and weights, so basically the weight is just now the mirror and the bracket. So we're gonna see how it does on the road at different speeds. Check the vibrations, just make sure we have good visibility, all that good stuff. These are also very easy to install. Check out my install videos on both of these mods. I'll put them in the description below. You can also mount these above the bars. I mounted them below just because I like the cleaner look. Obviously got rid of the stock mirrors. I still need to plug these holes. I'm gonna order these screws or bolts that you can get from Amazon that just kind of fills them in, so it's black. So let's go on a quick ride and see how they do on the road. Here. Yeah, so far mirrors are working great. The clutch lever, brake lever working great. Just checking that light in the tail light, make sure it works. Let's go, people. Are great. It's basically just a quick look down right there and I can see the rear view. Very nice. I still have my peripheral view in the front, so they are working very well so far. I'm not seeing any vibration really either, so they are doing great. We'll see it at higher speeds if there's any major vibration, but I don't anticipate it. This new clutch lever is amazing. It's like a shorty, so it's really easy to pull that clutch, change the gear really quick. I'm really happy with that. No issues changing gears either. Some people had some issues with, I think, this exact clutch lever or similar ones where something was wrong with the clutch sensor, but I'm not having any issues so far. Looks to be working fine. I am getting a tad bit of vibration on the right side rear view mirror, but it's probably just because it's not that tight. I do remember tightening the left one much tighter and I'm getting no vibration at all on the left one, so all good stuff. Yeah, these mirrors are amazing. Just like a quick look down right there, boom, I see the car behind me fully. Very nice. Very happy with this so far. Yeah, I'm loving these rear view bar and mirrors. They are perfect. Alright, so we're going about 55. No vibration on the left mirror. The right mirror is also not that bad. It looks like it might have fixed itself. Still no vibrations on the mirrors. Looks good. Yeah, these mirrors are definitely a hit. No doubt about that. Very happy with this purchase. That's the great thing about life. When you buy something, or actually let me take a few steps back. When you research the hell out of something and then you finally buy it and it turns out to be amazing. It's just great, you know, it's a great feeling. You know, me, I actually sometimes you know, take a little longer than probably other people on buying things and purchasing things, because I just like to research everything, make sure I'm getting the best product, make sure it's the best price it can be. And I know this drives my wife crazy, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. You want to get a supreme optimal product, you gotta do the research, you gotta do the homework, you gotta make sure you're getting your money's worth. And I gotta say, these mirrors and these levers are definitely worth the money. I think the levers were $35 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check them out if you want to buy them from Amazon. And the mirrors were $65. So not bad. I mean, most bike modifications are outrageously outpriced or overpriced. So these aren't too bad, less than $100 bucks. You get new mirrors and new levers. I'm sure there's other brands out there that sell them for much more money, but why pay more when you can pay less and get a great product, right? Gotta save that money. Beautiful, beautiful open road. Could not ask for a better day to ride, better road to ride on, or a better motorcycle. Living the dream, folks. I'm living the dream. Also, look out for the next video. I'm going to be doing a review of the quad lock. Finally came in the mail. I got the bar mount version, and I also ordered a black clip because I don't like that blue. Obviously, I'm going for the all black look on my bike. Comes with a phone case as well, which you need to use the mount. I also got the phone ring stand. So this just goes on the case because I have a pop socket on my case right now, so this is kind of replacing that. And I also got the vibration dampener. So we're gonna get those installed, go on a ride and see how it does. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button, give it a nice thumbs up. Also, please subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.